So this time we're going to do the fetch water again and make it easier. Once you understand we're making lines, so this time do the line with your shoulder. It's easier than your elbow because many people have shoulder problems. You can't raise your elbow yet. So use this shoulder to stretch against the front hand, okay? This here. And just look for it for now. Yeah, make sure your body is straight.
Right.
Go. Now you realize, no, to fetch water.
Which way?
This one.
Yeah.
So when you're not allowed to bend, it's more difficult, right? So far the problem is that we are moving, and since the arrival of stretch, we have to change our practice. Every move has to have a stretch in it. And I'll show you, trust. Who is strong? Okay, stand here. Hold the stick like this here. 2 hands, hold it, so that this will not move, okay?
I'll try.
So now, Jeff, can I trust you?
Yes.
Hold this, brace it on your stomach. So at the beginning, so you follow me, okay? At the beginning, we're all, just go with me. We're all doing this and thinking this is great, but nothing's happening. So now we go back and you don't move. And I have to go like this. Every move has this in it. Eventually there's a lot of this, meaning you stay here, you walk backwards. Backwards. Now stay there. Can I get another stick? Even the short stick on there, Christine, the short stick on the floor there, because you don't have to go all the way to the floor. And hold the stick here. Just like Laura, that's it, okay? So our problem is, when I say move from here to here, you all, and now you can take that away. Take it away. Take it away. Yeah, whatever the method. Oh, we all go like this. So that's why Jimmy says there are people who are doing 175, 200 yilus a day. He says, how come I can only do 4 or 5? Because if you do like 100 like this, it's very easy, like, like this. But if everyone is like this, and you can't do that, you stay here, this is one move. Can you see here? Now put in here. And this is another move. You cannot do 200 yilus like this. So I'm exaggerating because I'm pretending it's so strong. It's pulling me all the time. Every move must be like that. So this is yin-yang separation. This is movement. This is no movement. This is still. This is activity. Every move has to be like that. There's no time you collapse like this. Okay? This only happens at the end of the day. You fall asleep. Your body is not tense anymore. During the day, you have to be tense. And that's why you need to sleep. So totally separate it. Now, watch me. Here, everybody is pushing the finger, and here, there's no stretch. Now, look at the size from here to here. You have to stretch it, and then hook it. That's one. Another one, so you look at my rear shoulder. It's not like this. We can do that at the beginning to make it easier so you can carry the whole day. Otherwise, after 5 minutes, you are requesting a chair. So now you see, hold it. Only use here. The power is still there. Right now, we don't ask you to do that. We ask you to do this until you find this here. You can put it here, but find this there. And once you find weight here, the weight is on your foot.
find the
When you find the weight here,
weight?
heaviness,
Okay.
it's on your foot. Same as when I find that stick and hook that rubber cord on it, the power is on there. And this is transmission of energy. So Jimmy, you hold me here. And if you don't use power, just touch and hold it, but with no resistance. You can use this, but don't resist. Now hold me harder. Now hold locally harder. Yeah, but don't resist here. Can you see there's no power?
Right.
But now hold it, hold. Can you see it's too strong? For me to do this here, this move here is on my foot. If it's not on my foot, it's too strong for me. So this is learning the connection. So the first thing we do, the 3 exercises, the fetch water exercise trains you to lower your power into your feet. And my first experience is my friend, university alumni, studied this and went to his town called Linyi, 2 hours from the mountain. And they did this. And everybody came in to do this. And one day, this is all wrong, but it's okay. One day, somehow he found it. And now he's strong. He can power up. When you do this, you just cannot power up because you cannot find your body. Your body is loose. So when he found it, immediately, nobody in town could touch him. His body is heavy. Now it's like he's not training empty-handed. He's training with the weight. The body grows. And he made a very big impression on the local people. And the people started coming to the mountain to challenge us. That was the beginning of my return to China. So here, and then you add the line to it. It's all here. Do this now.